All right, Triton owners, it's your lucky day. We finally have a product to suit the Mitsubishi Triton. It's been a long time coming, but we've finally been able to make a peak series for the new generation of Mitsubishi Triton. Obviously, our peak series, the design of the tub in the older model Tritons didn't suit the ruggedness and the style of our product previously, but now they do. So we're able to actually develop this product and get it to the market for you guys. Just a quick background on the product and why it's the best value on the market. Number one, it's a full solid construction. It's a one-piece construction, so it's fully welded. There's no bolts, no nuts, nothing like that. It is just a fully welded unit. So one-piece unit, 3mm aluminium. Obviously, we focus on large openings and storage space. So that's a big one for us. Obviously, we're key on traveling and camping and doing all this kind of stuff. So you need the space. These things are a very, very high quality construction. So if you have a look at them, the powder coat, all the finishes, 100% mint. When you look at the openings on these things, open up the back. It's obviously a very, very large capacity to store stuff in these things. So run around the side here quickly. You can see it on the side as well. So the side access on these is massive. Like if you have a look, you're able to reach right in over to the center of your tub. You can't do that with a fiberglass canopy because the access to them is just not adequate. You know what I mean? So you can't really get anything in there. But these things, you can throw your tools in the side, in the back, do whatever you like. Obviously, we have a range of accessories for these things. You can put windows in them. We can put molate panels on them. You can put roof racks, all this kind of stuff. So you can really set them up for either a trade orientated, if you're a tradie working out of the back of your ute, or if you want to travel. Obviously, we're known for setting up vehicles to travel around. Travel around Australia or overseas, whatever. So rooftop tents. The capacity on this thing is 300 kilos, so it can take a very, very hardy load. So you won't find a better quality product on the market. So obviously these things are made to suit the tubs themselves. Like they're not a generic version of a product. They're not a one size fit all. They're like specifically designed to suit this size tub. And with that obviously comes individual mounting internally as well. So these things are made to suit your internal mounting points that are supplied within the tub itself. So one specific point I want to point out to you guys is that these things are 100% Australian made, yeah? So they're 100% Australian made right here in the factory over there. So if you're keen or like what you see on any of these things, jump on the website, campkingindustries.com.au, check it out, or come down and have a look for yourself. We have them on the floor so you can whack your hands on them and have a feel, have a touch, and go through it. Thanks, guys.